walking time. Look at the flower. Look at the flower.
Kita mo yung ano dun eh.
Look. Right there. Okay.
Liliit ah.
Okay.
Grabe. Ilan lang ang petals ko.
Look at going up. Going up. Yay. Going up. Hey, look. Look at this one. Look at this one.
Ito oh.
Look at this one.
Pine tree oh. Namumulaklak siya.
Look at this.
Namumulaklak. Video mo oh.
Tinunan mo to.
Yan oh.
Yeah.
Si Tart, yung maliliit
Park.
doon. Ito yun.
Oh.
Siya, yun yung bulaklak oh. Ayan siya oh.
Look at whole big park.
Ayun oh. Doon.
Okay. Look at how fog it is.
Milagro sa amin.
Look it.
Wow.
Uy! Lamig!
Ingat ka dyan. Wow.
It's cold. We're on the farm.
Eh, dinadaanan natin oh. Ayun yung inaano natin oh.
Ililipat ko yung ano. Ililipat ko yung SIM card ko dun sa... Mas gusto ko malaki kasi.
It's cold in here.
No, hindi eh. Naka-jacket ko yung hindi.
Look at. Look at. Look. This is called the yellow flower. This is the diamond art that I was looking for. Like this. Flowers. Orange. How do you call this? This is the diamond art that I was looking for. Like this. You get away, B! Shit! Get away! Look. Look.
Hindi na makita yung mga bahay doon sa baba oh.
Pero sabi,
Ay! Hi, doggy! Hi, doggy! is a nice park. We are here in Yahada, nag-video lang ako. Pacifica. Ocean School. Oceana. Yes. Oceana High School. I went to Westmore, not here. Taking my life, and this is my life. Okay, this is a nice park, you guys. Nagbablog ako kasi kailangan ko ngayon. Hinahanap ako. Wait! Go! It's the flower. Let's see.